everyone, of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access security. Now click on face unlock and tap on enroll face. Following that, you need to enter your current login method. Then choose Start Enroll. Tap on OK in Attention pop-up. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Over here, adjust all of those options however you want to. So now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you wish to disable it, click on this switcher next to unlock screen. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to get rid of face data completely, tap on Delete Face Information at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!